Okay, so this activity is one of my secret joys as a teacher. You know, we have to find our joy somewhere, right? So I love doing our beginning of electrical circuits because I'm really, really cruel. I give my students, and I give each individual, I give them a piece of wire, ends have been stripped, a D battery, and a light bulb. Now, of course, we don't ever just jump into anything willy-nilly. So we start here. I show them their materials that they have and tell them their goal is to get the light bulb to light. But before they can have their materials, they have to draw a plan. So notice they have 3 boxes here. So they draw a plan. When they're ready, I kind of give the okay, or I may hand them their materials then, but they have to draw the plan. Then they build their plan and test. Does it work? Very, very rarely does anybody get it on the first try. It's so fun. I love watching them struggle, and it's okay. I don't give any hints. It's okay. They can do it. It's teaching perseverance and not to give up when something is hard. Work through it. Think about it. Think, there is an idea is you could, before doing this activity, take a flashlight apart and have them examine what a flashlight looks like on the inside, and that maybe would spark their ideas as to how they could make their light bulb light. I'm usually not that generous. I just jump into it with a battery and a wire and a bulb and say, oh, let's see what you can do. Now, I do have to tell my sweet babies, if it gets hot, let go. I did have one who said, Miss Merritt, it's hot, let go. So my secret joy as a teacher is this activity, because I love to watch the struggle and the frustration. So what's going to happen, I tell them, you can, once you see this, when you can read this, you will see I ask them to design and test 3 different ways to get their bulb to light. If they get their bulb to light, then they can try to find a different way to make their bulb light and draw it in their notebook. So, and then I will include for you in my video links, there's a great video of MIT graduates and they're asked to light the light bulb. Oh, it is so funny because of course they're from MIT. They should be able to do this, right? Yeah, they can't. So the kids do, and the key here, let's see if I can, one of the really hard parts for the kids, especially because their hands are so much smaller, is holding everything so that it will light. Hold on, that's going to be my problem without burning myself. Okay, let's try it this way. Sit it on the table. There we go. Oop. What am I doing? There we go. So here you go. That's how you actually do it. You have to form a complete circuit for the energy to flow. So after we work through this, of course, we talk about how the electricity flows through the circuit and where else on the bulb can you touch it. Now, there's a great activity in another Ames book that I will share with you where there's different patterns, and so the kids have to, I make them test each pattern to see if it really works. It's Sparky's Lighthouse, I believe is the name of the activity, but it's another extension of this, and the kids can build each circuit and test it to see if it really works. And once they go through that activity, they kind of get the idea of how they have to connect the parts to make the light bulb light. So that is how to make the light bulb light.